Hey chickies, thanks for hanging out today and hope you all are doing well. This month we have 3 different Boxycharms to unbox: the base box, the premium, and also the Boxy Luxe. Grab a snack and I hope you'll join me for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciated if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be part of the Chicky Crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So, as many of you know, I'm also participating in Vlogmas, aka Chickmas, where I'm vlogging and uploading every single day through Christmas Day. Please don't forget to hit that bell to be notified once I upload a new video. Just a little FYI, these all were sent to me from Boxycharm for reviewing purposes, but you know the deal. If I like an item, I don't like an item, I will definitely let you know. Let's first start off with the base box. And the base box is $25 and inside you are guaranteed 5 full-size products. This month's theme is called Boxycharm Bubbles and Glitz. I received variation 16. The first thing we have in here is the Sponge by Makeup Eraser. It's the first ever machine washable makeup sponge. I've never tried it myself, so I can always use a new sponge. Let's just open this really quickly. Sponge seems like it's a pretty good one, and it has its own little container. Kind of twist it like this and then pop it into your washing machine. So let's read up about this. Specially formulated by the original makeup eraser, it features the same unique wash technology to erase makeup out of your sponge simply by machine washing, and this retails for $18. That's actually a very good deal. Banana powder, and it's from the brand Ofra. Ooh. It is definitely a very yellow powder. Innovative matte powder is lightly banana scented. Yes, it is. And extremely versatile. Use it to conceal dark under eye circles, set concealer and foundation, highlight, or even as a matte eyeshadow. And this retails for $35. Well, I know I can definitely use this. Yes, it's Huda Beauty. Yes, yes, yes. And this is the Amethyst Obsessions. Oh my goodness. I'm a huge fan of purple shadows in general. Let's see. Have you take a look at it? Oh my gosh, these look beautiful. Packed with a selection of 9 highly pigmented mattes and striking shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. And this retails for $27. Wow. Gorgeous. Tarte. And this is their Man-Eater mascara. Voluptuous mascara in the shade Black. I don't really want to open the mascara just because I'm currently using one right now, but it's supposed to give you, I guess, like really voluptuous looking lashes. Volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula. And this retails for $23. I have a MAC lipstick in the shade Hug Me, and I've been really into MAC lipsticks. I think there was a time where I kind of stopped purchasing MAC lipsticks, and then just recently, like the past 2 months or so, I started really getting into them again. Oh, definitely right up my alley. Right up my alley. Yes, that is beautiful. I know who would love this. My mom. The $25 base box was incredible in my opinion. I mean, each and every one of these items, I know I'm going to be using them. We are going to have to open both of these to find out which one is the premium and which one is the luxe, because they're both sealed. And, oh, it says right here, it's premium. For the premium box, you receive 6 to 7 items and you pay $35 a month. So let's check it out together. Again, the theme this month is Bubbles and Glitz. Receive variation 4. True and Luscious. It's called Luxy Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. Oh my gosh. Wow. You receive a full-size mirror. I want to swatch this one right here called Heaven Scent. That seems very silky. Oh my goodness. Let's swatch 777s. Right here. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Features ultra-fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous skin-loving color, where each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blend together for a customized look. And this retails for $46. Elemis, and this is the Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. The future of eye care is here, featuring an innovative cloud-like gel formula, this serum infused mask is clinically proven to minimize the appearance of wrinkles, helping to reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. And this retails for $82. Holy, that's expensive, but wow, I'm glad it's in the box. Let me see. It's like a gel type of formula. Oh, I'm gonna pop this into my skincare fridge because I love anything for the under eye area, you know, especially when it's nice and chilled. So, Visart, and this is the Professional Makeup 12 Shade Professional Eyeshadow Palette. I always hear good things about Visart. Comment below if you have tried out any of the Visart palettes. It really is a beautiful neutral palette. And let's read up about this. Visart's all-time best-selling palette. This iconic, coveted, and professional eyeshadow palette can be used for a shading, highlighting, and defining eyes, brows, and contours of the face. A true artist staple. And this retails for $80. Holy crap. Wow. Elizabeth Mott. I love the packaging already. It's called the It's So Big Volumizing Mascara in the shade. I'm assuming this is black. Here's the packaging. Again, I don't want to open the mascara just because I'm currently using one right now. The Mega Volume Lash Long Max Out Mascara lasts all day with no smudge. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day. And this retails for $20. Ooh. Those are some really good claims, so we're going to have to test this out. Crown, and this is the All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. Beautiful. Love the white handles with the rose gold barrels and then the gray bristles. The luxuriously silk brushes deliver optimum and even coverage for a perfect finish every time, adding depth and definition to your look. And this retails for $34.95. So you basically get in here a blending brush, you have a short shader, a little pencil brush. I believe this is more of like a flat shader brush, and then more of like a crease brush. You really do get the whole deal in this set. Fenty Beauty, yes, yes. And this is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade Madame. Oh, oof. Personally, don't really own too many Fenty products, to be honest. Very happy this was in here. Oh my gosh, this packaging is beautiful. And this shade, oh, that is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. I already know who I'm going to be giving this to because they love reds. An ultimate slim lipstick with a long-wearing soft matte finish in weightless color-intense shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones, and this retails for $18. So for the amount that you pay for $35, again, you are receiving an incredible deal with all 6 of these products. So in my box, I received 6 items. $35. Next, we're going to open the baddie of the bunch, which is the Luxe Box. And this one you receive every 3 months. I believe you pay $50. It's either $49 or $50, and you receive 8 full-size products. I'm really excited to open this because I've never received a Luxe Box before. Let's check out what's in here. First thing we have in here, of course, is the card. And then we have, what is this? Oh, it's from Luxe brushes. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at these brushes. That is beautiful. Gold handles, and like Luxe brushes are so soft in this case. It's so perfect, especially for the holidays. Wow. So you receive some eye brushes, you receive some face brushes, like this brush right here. Perfect for like contouring the nose. Glitter and gold brush set, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. This set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch, and this retails for $85. Hip Dot, which I've never tried before, and this is the C-Note pressed eyeshadow palette. I think it's C-Note. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Love the packaging on this, like the green blue kind of marble. And oh, These are gorgeous. These are beautiful shadows. To be honest though, it's definitely not my style of shadows in my opinion. I mean, I do love playing around with color, but I noticed that sometimes some blues just don't really complement me as well. But I love how they also included some neutral colors in here. Shadow right here called Cave looks gorgeous as well. But again, it's definitely not my style of shadows, just, you know, to be honest with you. In this hyper pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the Magical Deep, and this retails for $30. Iconic London, which looks very festive. We have some blushes. We also have some highlights in here. Blaze Chaser Face Palette, an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones, and this retails for $55. Wow, it does look very gorgeous though, right? And I love how it's also very festive looking, especially for the holidays. Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. This multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Its high potency formula exfoliates dull, pore clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. With skin brightening licorice, the super concentrated treatment also visually reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to the sun for naturally brighter, even toned skin. And this retails for $85. Avant, and this is a glycolic mica arginine urea shea butter intensive re-cleansifying glycolic acid day moisturizer. Wow, that was definitely a mouthful. With rich texture, combines glycolic acid and mica to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improve skin density, luminosity, and volume. And this retails for $123. Holy crap, that's a lot. I'm glad it was in the box because this really is very expensive. Rockins Cosmetics, it's called Hot Mess. What is this? I have a black glitter gel eye pencil. We also have the green glitter gel eye pencil and the blue glitter gel eye pencil. Get in a hot mess with Rockins Maxi Glitter Gel Pens Threesome. Choose from one of these 3 intense shades. Blend all around the eye to create drama and sparkle dance floor magic. And this retails for $40. These would make a really great base for say like a smoky look that you're going to be applying on the eye with some eyeshadow. I mean, it's okay, you know, at least it was in the box. You don't really use them that often. The Lifestyle Co. and it's 100% natural temple rub calming. So, let me see. It has more of like a lavender type of scent to it. The super blend of oils can help assist in relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. And this retails for $24. Blvd is a teeth whitening kit. And I mean, how pretty is that? It's pink. I love me some pinks. Whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes. And this retails for $89. I mean, that's pretty cool. They include the mouth guard. They also have here the syringe to whiten your teeth. And then also, I'm assuming this is like the blue light little thing that you put in your mouth to help whiten your teeth, and that's pretty cool. If you were to ask me which one out of the 3 boxes do I like the most, I'm gonna have to say my favorite still would have to be the base box, just because I feel like this one, I'm just more of like a makeup person. I really do enjoy also skincare, but I really love just receiving makeup, period. The base box and the premium are definitely my favorite. I love the versatility of the Luxe Box, but these two, the base box and the premium, are definitely, you know, my favorite out of the bunch. Please let me know what you think of the 3 Boxycharm boxes. Which one was your favorite? Have you tried out any of these items? Also, if you received Boxycharm, please let me know what was in your box. I would love to know. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out today and found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like. Subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky Crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.